Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer financial goals with Personal Capital, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Personal Capital app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard section. Click on Goals in the menu. Select Add a new goal. Choose the type of financial goal you want to set. Input the desired amount for your financial goal. Set a target date for achieving this goal. Determine how much you can save each month towards this goal. Review the estimated timeline for reaching your goal. Adjust your contributions if necessary to meet the target date. Save your new goal by clicking Create. Review your financial overview to see how this goal fits into your overall plan. Monitor your progress regularly within the app. Make adjustments to your contributions as needed. Utilize the budgeting and investment tools to optimize your savings. Stay motivated by checking in on your progress monthly. Ensure you celebrate milestones along the way to keep your momentum. Consider setting up reminders to review your goals every few months. Engage with the educational resources available within Personal Capital. Stay informed about any changes in your financial circumstances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.